Hello folks, Dave here again from DM Online with another Screenflow tutorial. This time we're going to look at importing captions from an SRT file. So I'm going to load in a video that I recorded earlier using my Teleprompter app, which is actually superb. I'll leave a link in the video underneath here for that because it's really excellent. Okay, so this is the video and I'll just pull that into the timeline. And I also have the Teleprompter app will actually allow me to generate captions. I can record the video, and then after I've done that using the Teleprompter, still within the app, I can have the captions created and added to the text. Really brilliant thing. So I kind of, to be honest, usually do that. But the other option, which gives you a little more control over the timing if you haven't got it quite right in the Teleprompter, is to generate an SRT file. And then you can bring that into Screenflow and have a lot more control over where those captions are and fix the timing. So let's bring that file in. I've done this. I've done that exactly that with the app. So I've generated an SRT file to go with this video. So the way you need to do that is in Screenflow, go up to Edit and Captions, and then Import from SRT, and then that's going to bring you up any SRT documents that you have, and it's right here. Okay, so I'm going to open that. Now the first thing you'll notice here is nothing seems to have happened. What you actually have to do is to go up to View, and then back all the way down here, Show Caption Track, and there you go. That's your captions in there now. Okay, so you also want to see these appearing in the video so that you can check the timing and so on. So you have to go back in here once more to View and then Show Captions. And if we just play this video.
Lots of people have seen the lifestyle benefits of working from home over the last couple of years.
We can see that the captions have appeared here. Now what we can do is, every time, this is divided into however you created the script in the first place. So with a bit of practice you can get this to work really well, but there are times where maybe sometimes the script is dragging a little bit, the text script is dragging a little bit between what you're actually saying. So you can go into each section here and completely alter them. You can add or subtract from the timing. You can even reword it if you've said a couple of things differently than the script. If you've ad-libbed a little and you want to copy that precisely, you can go in and do that. And then you can just use these tabs to move on to the next one and go through them, and just cut that down and just kind of audition them is what I do.
Truthfully, that's an even better.
I've skipped a few ahead here, but you get the idea. It's actually really pretty simple. The confusing thing is really just how to get the file in there and then how to actually see it. So just to recap on all that once more, we're going to edit in the first place, captions, and then we're going to, you can set the language obviously. Mine's English by default, which is obviously done in the Screenflow preferences in the first place, but you can alter that here. So you can import from SRT. If you've got, you can do this the other way around as well. If you've got captions on there and you want to export them onto a script file for some reason, you can export that way, or you can clear all the captions here. Okay, so once you've done that, to see them on the timeline here, you need to go to Show Caption Track, and then to see them on your actual video window here, you need to go back into View and then check Show Captions. So in other words, just check both Show Captions and Show Caption Track, and you'll see both. And that's it, really just a case of working your way through the script. Any parts you feel were lagging, you can just stretch them slightly or make them a little bit less, and just edit to your heart's content the way you kind of normally would edit text of any kind. So I hope you find that useful, and if so, please do feel free to leave me a comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and check the little notifications bell if you want to get a notification of the next time I upload a video. Thanks again, it's been Dave at DM Online. Cheers.